Okay, everything is good, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay, so now both application is running, right? Both application is running now. Just refresh this one now. So see that, guys, one instance is running, right? Here one instance is running, right? Come on.
Yes,
Now in
Ravi.
this time,
Correct, Ravi. Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
what is the
Profile
profile
service.
service? Come on, guys. Profile service is running now.
Profile service.
Yes,
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 Ravi.
yes.
But still we are not given any implementation, guys. Okay, we are not given any implementation. So because of that, if we click also, we will not get anything. We are getting the white page now here. Come on.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
Ravi.
Yes.
Okay,
White
so
service.
now what I'm going to do now, just I'm stopping the right word, our both application now, guys. So yeah, so here what is that? In the Eureka, now here we need what? One controller, right? One controller. Which one will give the services? What is that? Producer controller we need now. Come on, guys. So where that our
Yes,
explanation?
Ravi.
We need what is that? This
Okay.
profile controller, profile rest controller, where we will write the logic now. We need,
Yes,
because this is what producer application. Come on, guys.
yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so for that purpose, we created already one project, right? So this is the project now, Spring Cloud Profile Services. Come on.
Yes, yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
Ravi.
So here itself only what I'm going to do now, just I'm going to create one REST controller. REST
Yes.
controller dot. I'm taking what? So we will take
Dot
what is that?
controller. Dot control.
So profile,
Okay. Okay.
and we will give the name of what we took now, profile REST controller. Now take
Profile
this name only.
responsible.
Profile REST controller, right? Now finish it. So if you want to make this controller as a REST controller, what annotation you will apply on the top of this controller now, guys?
Yes, controller.
At the rate
At
next
the
Rest
rate
control.
next
controller.
controller.
Please switch off your camera. Please switch off your camera. Okay, so at the rate what? At the rate REST controller, right? At the rate what? REST controller. Okay, good. So I want to give what? Class label one path. So what is that? At the rate request mapping annotation is there now.
Yes, Ravi. Yes,
Yes,
Ravi. At
Ravi.
the
Yes.
rate.
So here I'm giving what? Here I'm giving what? Profile. Profile. After then what? Slash profile. Slash
Already
profile.
there.
He inside that only just normal method I'm taking what? Spring. Oh, sorry, is public string.
Yes.
What is that? Public string.
Responsible.
What is that? What kind of a method we can take?
Responsibility.
So the
Show.
employee profile. Okay,
Okay.
this is the method. Now this method will return what? Just this method will return what?
String.
From profile services. Okay, let's take this message only, right? So I'm taking what? From profile service. Okay, so this message we will get, but how we will annotate? So the request
Get
will come.
mapping.
So at the rate get mapping, we will
Get
take what?
mapping.
Get mapping. Now here what we will take it now, guys. So just
So,
take what? Data and URI
Yes,
we will
data.
take, right? So okay,
okay.
good. So now this area we completed, guys. Okay, now this area we completed. Our full development has completed, right? This one. So
Yes,
now,
Ravi.
so but still what? Still I want to show that, but here consumer will make request. But now normally just what I'm going to do now, just normal run our Eureka server, run our Eureka server. Okay, so now our run again this application also, our producer application also, right? So
Propal. Yes.
now just refresh it, right? Refresh it. So still there is no instances now, but still the 1 minute. Now refresh it. One instance is running now. Come on, one
Yes, Ravi.
microservices. This Eureka dashboard is
Yeah.
showing one microservices, right? So now click
Yeah,
here. Now click here, guys. Still we are getting this web, right? This one.
Yes.
So
Okay.
don't bother about this one, right? This is what IP address of what my computer. So don't worry about this one. Just what remove this one. Okay, just remove this one. And what is that? What we took class level profile data, right? So we are getting that result, right? Explicitly we are doing this one, right? Explicitly is what this microservices, what this microservices is running perfectly. Come on, from profile services, but this is not main story is going to start now only, guys. Okay, so don't bother about this one, right? This is what this is IP address of what my computer is showing now. Okay, so now this is from the what is that from profile services, right? This response we are getting. Come on, this one we are getting on the browser.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
so now, but what is that? This is what just now let's develop what this what this area, guys. Okay, this area and what this details will whatever details, by taking that details we are hitting the URL, just what is that here now, and we are getting no, like that the things will not work in what terms of microservices. So what we will do it now, we will use what one client, and that client will gather the information from here, and what then this one what then the request will come from here, right? So now let's develop what
Yes, sir.
consumer
Okay.
application. Now let's develop what this consumer application now, guys. Okay, so now again I'm stopping this one. Now main story is going to start here, guys. Okay, now main story is going to start. Okay, so one more project we will create. One more project we will create, guys. Okay, so now let's create it. Close all. So what is that? What project name we will take? Employee service, right? Employee service. Now file, new, Spring Starter project. Okay, so let's take the name of what this application. What is that? Spring Cloud Employee Service. Let's say Spring Cloud
Cloud
Employee.
employee service.
Okay, good. Now next, here we need what dependency. What dependency we need? Eureka discovery plus what web dependency we need. What is that? Eureka discovery
Yes,
client
sir.
plus what Spring web.
Spring web.
If we develop what Eureka server, then we need what this dependency, guys. Okay, but if we develop any microservices project, right, then we need what this two dependency, right? These two dependency.
Yes, Ravi.
Clear?
Clear, Ravi, clear.
Yes,
Now
sir.
next, now finish. Okay, this is right. Okay, now good. So here open this one, come to main method, right? Main method. Now here what we will apply, what annotation we will apply now, guys? At the rate enable
Enable
Client.
Eureka client. We will enable Eureka client, right? Okay, so fine now. So another one is what? Another one is what? We will specify the properties also.
Yes, Ravi. Port number.
Hmm. So let's take what server. Server port. So let's take the server port 8896. 8896. After then what? After then let's take the service ID. Service ID. Okay, so what is the service ID? Spring spring dot application
Dot application equal to
dot application dot name and give the any name of what project employee I'm giving what
service.
service employee service, correct. So okay, after then what we need what and one more property. What is the
Yes,
property
service.
name?
Property.
What is the property? Eureka location.
Yes.
Eureka location. What is the property now? What is the property? Eureka
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 dot
client dot
dot service
dot service
service
URL
dot service
URL
dot
default.
URL
service hyphen URL
URL.
dot
service URL
default
dot default time zone. Sorry, default zone, not name.
default
Zone ID.
default zone ID, right?
Yes.
Default zone, that's it. Default zone. So what is the default zone now, guys?
Yes.
What is the default
Yes.
zone?
Yes. Slash Eureka.
Eureka, right? Prefix.
Yes.
Clear?
Correct.
So no need to
Clear.
put what, no need to register with what Eureka and fetch register, right? Fetch register this property, no need, right? No need. Okay, so because by default that is a true only, right?
Yes.
So I'm not
Yes,
placing,
yes.
I'm not placing now, guys. Okay, so I'm not placing anything. So now the story is started, guys. Okay, so now for that purpose, after then what we will do it now, we will develop one what employee rest controller. Employee
Yes, sir.
employee rest controller and what we will develop one component. This is the not, sorry, this is not yeah, this is the rest controller only, right? This is the rest controller, but we will annotate with what? We will annotate with component. Good. Okay, no issue. So here what we will take what one, this is project, right? So now take this one what one com dot rk dot
Class.
take one class, that is what emp. Let's take emp, and here what we will take it now, guys. So this one, this development
Employee
is going
service.
on, guys. Okay, this area we are going to develop it now. So okay, fine.
Okay.
Now so employee, right? So employee, here what we are doing now, we are taking one employee rest controller. Employee rest controller. Now finish it. Now finish it. If you want to make this class as what? Rest controller class. What is the annotation now, guys?
Rest controller,
Rest
Ravi.
controller.
Rest controller, right? Okay, if you want to give
Yes, sir.
class level annotation path, right? Class level
Request
path,
mapping.
Request
Request
mapping.
mapping.
request mapping. So here I'm giving what? Employee. Employee, fine. Okay, good. So okay, fine now, guys. So I said that, right? We need what to make the has a relation with what? A discovery client, right? So we need what? Make the has a relation with what? This object, right? So in this object only we will implement what? Discovery client. Nah, come on.
Okay.
So
Yes, Ravi.
Ravi.
so
Yes, Ravi.
so here what I'm going to do now, so I'm taking what one private, I'm taking what profile rest consumer, right? I'm taking this one and what consumer. Okay, so we will make this one as what? This class as what? We will annotate it, but first we need to create this class now, because without this object, how we can implement?
Yes,
So
sir.
in that,
Yes, yes.
so for that purpose, what we are going to do now, let's create one class here itself only in this
Create
package
one
only.
more.
One more class I'm creating, right? So the class name I'm giving this
Create
the
one
same only.
button.
Now finish it.
Interface.
Finish it, guys. Okay, so fine now, guys. So if you want to use this class object services, so what we will do it now in this one, we will make this one as an auto word. No, come on,
Integrate auto.
Yeah. At the rate auto.
auto word, right? Okay, good. So now let's implement the discovery client here only in this class only. So now let's implement this concept, guys. Okay, let's implement this concept. From the here to here implementation, we are going to give a what in this class. Now so how our IOC container will create the object of this class, we will use what is the component. Very good, very good. Component, fine. I hope the people are remember component. What is the use of what component?
Yes.
Yes.
For this class, bean will be created.
Very good.
Make class.
Okay, guys. So okay, fine now, guys. So if we want to make the request, right? If we want to fetch the detail from the Eureka server, we need what? One client. What is the client we are going to use it now, guys? What is the client we are going to
Discovery
use?
client.
Discovery client.
Discovery client,
Client.
right? So already discovery client is there in what? Our what framework. So just we will use it now. So just I'm taking what? Private
Right.
what? Private discovery client. Private discovery client, right? Discovery client. Netflix. Okay, good. This one only. Netflix is given now. So CLIENT. Just I'm taking. Okay. So how the object will inject here now? We make this one also at the rate auto wide,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
So just come here, guys. Based on our diagram only, development is going. What I said that we make this one as what in which class profile rest consumer, right? Profile rest consumer. What we will do it now? We will auto wire the discovery client, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's specify here only one method inside this class. One method let's specify, right? So just I'm taking what? Public string return type. I'm taking what? String, and get what? Profile data. Profile data. Fine. Okay, so
Profile.
return null. Now currently I'm returning null, later we will return it, guys. Okay, so means what? This data. So this one, right? So this one will make the request, and what we will get here return, this one will return some data, right? List of data, and what we will return the URL, right? So we need to write the some
Yes.
code now. We need to write some code. Okay, so using which client? Discovery client. Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
people are feeling bored now.
No, Ravi.
It's interesting.
Okay, good. So okay, so now what is that? Now get what? Get, just I'm commenting, get a list of what? List of what? Service instance. First step using what? Using what? Profile. Using what? Profile service. Service ID, right? Using what? Profile service ID. So good. So here what I'm going to do now, just see this, guys. Okay, so what I said that how we will make the request. Whenever we will call, we need what? Profile service na. Profile service ID. Come on, guys. Service ID, and what is the method name, guys?
Get instance.
Okay, good. See this, focus step to step I'm explaining, guys. Okay, so now see this. So here what is that? What the reference we will take? Client dot, what is the method name? Get instance. What is that?
Instance.
ID.
What is that?
String ID.
Get instances, right? Instances, but 1 minute. In the earlier versions, change. 1 minute. Okay, I think the method name is changed. Get instance by ID it's showing, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
no issue. Okay, it's changed. Okay, now take this one only. So here what I return the list of instance information matching the proceed of ID. Okay, good. So okay, the method name is changed. We are using the current newer version, right? So I think the method name is changeable. So
Yes.
okay, so this is the method name, guys. Okay, so here what is the ID? What is the ID of what? This what? What is the ID of what? Where that one?
Profile service.
Yeah, what is the ID of what? Profile REST controller. What is the ID of the profile REST controller? Come on, profile service we took na in the come
Profile
here.
service.
Come in this application where that this is the profile service now. Come here and open the property. And what we took now, guys? No, not this one, yeah. Where that project?
Profile service.
This is the profile service, right? Okay, open this one. Open the property. So what is the profile service ID we took now, guys? Profile service ID na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So this one
Profile
only,
service.
this one only we will give the argument here. Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Clear, Ravi, clear.
And this one will return what? This one will return what is this one will return now, guys? What this one will return? Come on. List of service instances na?
Staff.
Service
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now come here. So hold this one. Okay, hold here what? In list of what? List of what? Service instances. So service
Instances.
And service or return service.
why this one is not giving? 1 minute. Something going wrong. 1 minute, guys. Beep. Spring Cloud, yeah, this is there, right? So 1 minute. So service instance is there. Okay, this is the interface. Okay, good. So get instance ID is there. Get instance ID. Yeah, good. Now this one will return what? List of what? List of what?
service IDs.
Service
instance.
Instance.
service instance, right? Service instance.
Yes.
Okay,
Interface.
good. Now list of now we
Return list. Space
Is equal to.
equal to and space there.
Equal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Return list.
no something going wrong.
Exception.
No, cannot convert
Need
list.
to add exception. Instance.
Type. Fetch. Typecasting.
No. I think this one 1 minute, guys. Something. Get instance any nothing. I think 1 minute. So here what is that? Netflix we imported, right? So 1 minute. Control Shift O. Use this one, guys. Okay. Wrong importation I given, right?
Yes, Ravi. Yeah, package
Okay.
problem.
Yeah. So dot get instance. See this here, get instances there are not, guys. Come on.
Yes.
I
Yes,
thought
Ravi,
that,
correct.
yeah, because of that, see, because of that, we are facing this issue now. Okay, so our explanation is going good. I thought that maybe in the new year version that change, because I did not did any practical before starting our session, guys. Okay, based on my experience only, I'm explaining. Nothing. I prepared myself. Okay, for the today,
Yes,
we
yes.
have the session. Agar if I prepared right, so directly I can explain it also. Na, why I will tell? Okay, so I think in the new year version this one is changed, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes,
see
Ravi.
so here what get instances is there, right? So we are calling, right? We are calling using what? We are calling using what? Our discovery client, this this one. And what is that? Instance
Profile service.
ID. What is the instance
Profile
ID
service.
now, guys? Profile service, right?
Profile service.
Yes,
Yeah,
Ravi.
Profile hyphen service.
yeah, profile service, right? So we will pass the
Yes,
profile
right.
service ID here. Now fine, now this one is return this one will return what? What is
List of
the return now?
instances.
List of
List
service
of
instance,
List
na?
of service.
Yeah.
Yeah.
service instance.
List of what? List of service instance.
Service.
Instance.
List of
List.
what? Service instances. Now list, right? We are getting the list now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi,
Yes.
correct.
Yes, sir.
So, but what is that? Only one instance is there, guys. Okay, only one instance means what? Only one instance is there in the Eureka server, right? So only this profiles are rest and instances is there, but it's still in what list of instances we are getting, right? So to fetch only one record, what we have need to read a single instance from the index number 0, na? Come on.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Ravi.
Okay, so now come here. So again, I'm giving the comment also, guys. Okay, I'm giving the comment. So read what? Read what you are no single instance, right?
First,
Single instance from index 0. Index what? 0th, right? So how we will get it now, guys? So list of what? List of what? Get
Zero.
what? 0. We will 0, right?
0.
Yes, Ravi.
List of what? 0. And what is that? What we are getting now, guys? So see this in the explanation, in the diagram only. What I said, that what we are getting now? Service instance, na? Come on.
Service
service.
instance.
One
Yes,
instance,
Ravi.
right? So now hold this service instance now, guys. Hold this service instance. Hold this service instance. We are getting what? Instance, right? Instance.
Instance.
Okay, good. So after then what we will do it now, guys? So we will prepare what is that? URI na? URI we are getting, we will get what?
Yes.
URI from the what? This Eureka server na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
So
Yes.
just assume that today this Eureka server is what? This application is running in another application server, right? And this application is running sometime what? This may just assume that server is changed. So if we write what is hard URI, so that is the problem, guys. So for that, what we will do it now? We will read the dynamically that URI, right? We will read the dynamically URI, right? URI. So what we will do it now? Read what? Read
Yeah.
URI and what is that? Path to reading the URI. What is that? Method is now yes I dot what is that? Get URI. What is that? Get a URI method is there. Okay, so plus what is that? We need what? Path also na? Path also. So what is the path now, guys? So now see this, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so I said that, right? So URI plus path, right? Path. So what is the path of our what profile rest consumer? No, not this one, right? Where that one? That is.
Slash employee.
So this is the right no profile. Where the profile application? Come here. Open this one. Open this one. Now open the profile rest controller. What is that profile? This is na. Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So yeah.
Profile data.
So here what we will do it now? profile slash data. This is the what I said now. What I said, the combination of what URI, the combination of what URI plus what path is called what URL. Na, come on.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, it
yes,
will
Ravi.
return the URL.
So here what we are doing now, we are reading the dynamically URI here. We are reading this what URI as what dynamically. Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes,
after
Ravi.
then what we will hold, this one will become what? String
URL.
URL. This one will become what? String of what? URL. Come on. Now,
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
the till now development is completed, guys. Okay, till now the development is completed. So again we need what? To make the request to whom from here to here. What is that? We need what? One client, one more client. Na? Then we are going to use what is that? REST template. Just now. Okay, so now we are going to use what? REST template. Come on. So
Yes, Ravi.
okay,
Yes.
so now good. So here what? Again I'm commenting again, right here. Just I'm giving the one more comment. Just what is that? Use. So for that, to making the request, what is that? Used what? REST template.
Ravi, sorry for interrupting. Yeah.
Yes.
Actually,
Yes.
we have added here profile after profile data is a URI like URI, right?
Mm-hmm.
Path only.
Mm-hmm. So, but until
So,
unless, yes. Just complete your question. Yeah, ask.
yeah. So we can here replace data with anything, right?
No, it's a request.
Sorry, what is that?
Can we
Request
replace here data with anything other?
data. This one you are talking about.
Yes.
So if you want to change this one, then you have to go
Yes, based
inside,
on the method.
go to here, right, and change this one also.
Okay. Yeah. Got
I'm
it, Ravi.
taking
Got it. Yeah. Profile
this
and data.
is the
Yeah.
only path, right? This is only path of what? This controller. Na, come on.
Got
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Is still anyone
Got it, Ravi.
having?
Yeah.
Is still anyone having doubt, guys? Ask me here only, right? Ask me here only. Then we will move on the next
Ravi.
level.
Yeah, Ravi.
Mm-hmm.
I'm having one query.
Yes.
With the same service name, is there any multiple instances are existing in Eureka service?
Yes. With the same services, we can execute multiple instances only in the first session only I given, right? We can run multiple services. So don't worry, I will explain that one also, but still our practical is not completed. Na, don't worry, the things will come to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay, good. But good question. Okay, but I already theory part I already covered in the first session itself only. I think first or second session. So don't worry. But practical is left. By I will show our explanation. Whatever explanation is completed, every explanation will come to you. What as a practical. Okay. So now in the current session, anyone having any doubt? Let me know that. In the current session, whatever discussion is going on today.
Till now it is clear.
No, Ravi. It's clear now. Yeah.
We are
Okay.
good, Ravi.
Okay. So now let's prepare what? REST template now, guys. Okay. Let's prepare what? REST template. So here I'm creating the object of what? I'm creating the object of what? REST template, right? REST template. Okay. REST template RT equal to what? REST template, right?
Yes, sir.
REST template. Okay, good. So anyone remember it, guys, when I was explaining Spring Boot my REST, right? So to make the call, right? To make the call, and that object, that method will return what? Entity of object, the one method I used. Anyone remember that method?
Yes.
The get for object. I
Get
took
for entity.
get for entity, get for object, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay,
Yes,
so
Ravi.
okay, good. So now what is that? I'm taking the make what? Make call and what? Get make call
response.
and what? Get what? Get a response, right?
Yes.
Response. For that purpose, I'm taking what? RT dot what? Get for object. Get for what?
RT dot.
Yes,
Dot, Ravi. RT
yes.
dot.
RT dot what? Get for object. Let's take what? Object. What is that? It's taking two argument now. First argument is what now, guys? This is the URL. This URL it's asking, right? Then this one will make the request to whom? Then this one will make the request to whom? This consumer, right? Sorry, this provider. Come on, this provider. So
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
yeah, so this one is making, right? So after then what is the return type we are taking? Let's take a string, right? A string dot, then response will come as a string. We want what is that? A string dot class. Okay, so fine. Now hold the, because this method is returning something also now. So that is what? A string. What is that? What we are taking now, guys? Let's take what? A response only. A response. Okay, good. So okay, now everything is completed, guys. So now from then what we will do it now, guys? Now return this response here. Now return this response here. So after then what? Come to our what? Employee REST controller. Whenever we will call this controller, right? Whenever we will call this controller and we will get the result, what? We will get the result to what? Our producer application also, right? Our producer application also. So for that purpose we are taking one method. Okay, so let's take one more method. So what is that? So we already auto wired with what? That object now. So now take one method here. So I'm taking what? Public string what? So public string, so let's show employee
data.
employee data. Good. Employee data, REMP data, right? So just normally here also I'm returning what? Return what? This response will come from the employee, guys. Okay, from employee plus I'm taking what? Plus let's take what? So what is that? We will call that what? This object reference, using this object reference dot what? Dot, that method is taking get profile, right? Get profile. So get profile data also. Now fine. Now so whenever we will call, we will get this result also, plus what? This result also, plus what? This both we will get. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now let's run our application and we will see that based on our what is that, we will get what the desired result we are getting or not, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to give now.
Need to add
So
need to add the get mapping, Ravi.
where?
Yes, on method level.
Yes,
method,
correct. So here what we will do it now, guys, at the rate get mapping, right? And here just I'm giving what? Any URI. Let's give, what is that URI? Let's give what? Model, right? Okay, fine. Now guys, so now let's what? So first what we will do it now, guys?
Slash
model.
Yes, slash model. Okay, so fine. Now guys, so execution order, I'm giving what? Execution order. First, what is that? Execution order, right?
Eureka server,
First Eureka server.
then producer, then client.
Execution order. First, what is that? Run Eureka server. First what?
Yeah.
First Eureka server, and what is that? Then producer application. Second what?
Producer application.
Producer app, right? Producer app. Then what? Consumer, right? Consumer app. After then what? After then go to Eureka server. Okay, so where now? Come here. So I'm closing everything now, guys. Okay, so here. Okay, so now open. First, what is that? Open what? Open Eureka server. This is the project of what? Eureka na? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Now run this one. Then what? producer application. Run the producer application. Which one the producer application? This one na profile service na. Come on.
Profile service.
Yes, Ravi. Profile service.
Yeah. So
Yes, Ravi.
now profile service. Run the profile service. Now run the profile service. Okay. After then what we will do it now, guys? Run the consumer service.
Consumer.
So open